Hey there, Lynn. My name is Jose. Thank you for reaching out on Facebook. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks, but we've been making hundreds of these videos, so this is yours. And today I'm going to give you 3 tips that you can implement onto your website to start outranking your competitors on Google. Okay, and that way when somebody looks up your service, you can pop up first. Okay, so let's stop wasting your time and mine and get to it. Number one, you need a lot more content because if there's one thing that Google and these search engines love is content. And by content, I mean your words and your pictures. Okay, as you can see this picture here, if I go to save as, see how it's saved under water pick? You need to save it under a keyword, which is the words that people type into Google when searching for your services. So save it under uh, pool service, Port St. Lucie, or pool service, Lucie, Florida. Whatever people are typing in. So you need to get your keywords and find out which ones people are typing uh, into Google, and that way you can pop up in the first page in the first listing. Okay, so that's your first tip. And I did pull up a couple of your competitors here in your area, and I put you guys in this tool that I have that shows me your stats and your keywords that you're being found for. And as you can see here, this is your competitor stats being found for 31 words. These guys are being found for 15 words. And you guys are being found for 3 words. Let's check them out. So pool service Port St. Lucie, 100 searches a month. Okay, you guys aren't really being found for it because you're in the fourth page of Google. Pool service Port St. Lucie, 30 searches a month. Again, 5th page in Google. So Forever Pool is being searched 250 searches a month, uh, and you're like in the 10th page for that one. So what you need to do is learn how to target your keywords and add more keywords to your website, and that will really help you rank. Okay, so I wanted to take some extra time to emphasize that for you guys. Uh, let's take a look at your competitors' words so you can get an idea. This right here is Zen Frogs. See, pool service, St. Lucie, 100 searches a month. They're in the 8th position. So that means they're in the first page, but they're towards the bottom. Full service. These guys are very beatable, by the way. It looks like nobody is doing SEO on their website. Full service Port St. Lucie, 30 searches a month, which is the same words you're ranking for, but you're on the 6th page for it, 5th page for it. These guys are on the first page for it when somebody searches it. So they're going to get a bunch of work from that. St. Lucie Aquatics, public pools, and okay, those don't really matter. We want something that has to do with your service. So this is what you would do. You would look for the right keywords, add them to your website, and rank them. Rank for those. Okay, so that's your first tip. The second tip I want to give you is backlinks. See how you have no power here? Let me show you here with your competitors. This UR is the power of your front page, and this DR is the overall power of your overall web page or website, your whole website. And you guys aren't even on the map, so the way you get power is backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. Okay, and what you want to do is put your backlinks on powerful websites. That way it can give your website power, and Google will start seeing that and ranking you for that, and starts giving power to your keywords. Okay, that's the second tip I wanted to give you. The third tip is citations. The way you want to beat everybody here on the map pack is citations. What a citation is whenever you list your business phone number, name, and your business address, then that is a citation. When you list it on an online directory like Yelp.com or YellowPages.com. So you want to find out how many citations your competitors have and get about 20 or 30 more than them. And then that will really help you guys outrank them here because that map pack will bring in a ton of leads as well. Okay, so SEO, so you can rank here in the organic section, and then you want you want to get citations for this. So number 1, content. Number 2, backlinks. Number 3, citations. Uh, so that's how you beat everybody on the internet here with Google. If you guys got any questions, remember you can do this yourselves. But if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and my number is 806-268-7118. You guys have a good one.